All right, I said we'd make a quick barbecue dinner while you're doing other stuff when you get off of work. Here's how it's gonna go. This won't take too long, so let me get this closed in here. A little closer. All right. First thing you're gonna do, set your oven, 375. So we're gonna bake 375. Start your oven. Okay. Get you a pan out. Boy, that made a hell of a racket, didn't it? A little aluminum foil. I swear by this aluminum foil, let me tell you what. I hate cleaning. Get some spray on there. Alright. Let's get that out of the way. Grab us a cutting board and a knife. A couple potatoes. I'm going to do potatoes. Some frozen veggies. Here, I'm going to throw in some cornbread, huh? I'm going to cut the potatoes in half. 2 potatoes about the same size would be perfect. Alright, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take that spray that you had. Spray each potato. It's oil, come on, it's oil. A little bit of salt and pepper on it. Beautiful. Alright. I'm using chicken thighs today, or leg quarters. Okay, anytime you're working with chicken, remember, you don't need this cutting board anymore. Anytime you're working with chicken, careful, everything you touch is going to have the chicken blood on it. So, alright, let's grab us a plate. I'm going to use some seasoned salt, this stuff's great, and some barbecue seasoning. You can use whatever you want, but since we're going to make barbecue, alright, open these things up before you do anything, because like I said, the more stuff you touch, the more it's going to have chicken blood on it. Of course you're going to wipe this anyway, but why bother, okay? I'm going to grab the chicken thighs, turn them upside down first. These are just right out of the package. The leg quarters, 2 of them she said. Enough for 2 people. I mean, what more do you want? Alright. Using my hand that didn't touch the chicken. A little bit of the seasoning on there. Some salt on there. Everybody seems to forget the salt and season the bottom. I'm going to flipping this over. This one again. This one again. See, now I didn't touch anything with chicken on these things, so they're okay, but I'm going to wipe them off anyway. Okay. That little cat. Again, a little more oil. I like using this spray. Alright. We got our pans ready over here, right? So pretty much you got something to do. That's about what? 3 minutes out of your life, right? Oven's preheating right now. I'm going to let that cook up to 375. We're going to use a cornbread mix. It says like 1 egg and some milk. 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. You're not going to need that right now. Alright. Oven just came to temp. Chicken's ready, right? Just stick that baby in the oven. Alright. Go ahead and set your timer. We'll go 35 minutes. Go about your business. See you back here in 35 minutes, huh? Let me set my timer. All right, here we go. All right, what do we got? Time's up, right? Okay. Hopefully you got baby changed, the dog fed, cats fed, ready to go. You poured yourself a glass of nice cold beverage. All right, first thing we're gonna get going now. That's been our 35-minute timer set. Let's get us another pan. Maybe I can do this without beating up half my cupboard. Back to that foil. Gotta use it. All right, let's get a little spray down again. Frozen veggies. I tell ya, these are the best. You literally grab a couple handfuls. Perfect for weeknight, you know. Okay, lay those guys out. I'm going to do a little olive oil on there. Put salt and pepper on there. I'm going to shove them right in the oven with that chicken. Don't worry, I'll be getting that chicken in a minute. Grab us a bowl and a fork, cornbread mix, and a pan. Let's get the pan on the stove right now. Get that stove on high. Let's get some butter. I don't know. Cornbread's got to have butter, right? What do I got here? That maybe a tablespoon or so. Maybe a little more. Get that in that pan. Let's grab our milk. It says 1/3 cup of milk and 1 egg. And this says 400 degrees. You know what? We're going to leave it at 375, right where the oven's at now. All right. Grab us a 1/3 cup of milk. And 1 egg. Butter's over there getting hot. I like that instant cornbread mix. It's quick. That's what it's going to do. I'm using just a regular non-stick kitchen pan. You can use any kind of pan you want. Put that mix in there thoroughly. Okay, pan's almost hot. Right We're going to pull out this chicken. Now, if you were going to just leave it as roasted chicken, you had your own seasoning on there, that would be just fine. All right. But since we're going to put barbecue sauce on ours, oh, I love this Carolina stuff, tangy gold. We're just going to pour some on the top right out of the bottle. You got to waste all that time with some dishes and forks and brushes and stuff. Forget it. All right. Shove that back in the oven. Like I said, if you're going to leave that regular seasoning on there and just do roasted, you could have just left it in there. All right, our pan's hot. Butter's in there sizzling. Let's pour our cornbread mix in there, huh? Press it down flat. Just going to give it a head start. Stove's off. Shove it right in the oven. Make sure your handles, if you got a handle on that thing, that it's it can take the heat. All right. Now you can go out there and take the dog for a walk. Finish doing what you're doing. Maybe throw some laundry in. And I'll see you back here and set your timer for, where's my timer at? That thing said 13 minutes for that. We'll set our timer for 13 minutes and we'll be right back. All right, there we go, time's up. I know it said 10 to 12 minutes, but I opened up the door in the oven a couple times, so that made it 13 minutes. I figured I'd throw that extra minute in there. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Remember that pan handle is going to be red hot, so, all right, we got our cornbread. Our veggies. And we got our barbecue chicken. Oven's off. Let's bring this baby in here, huh? Oh yeah. Okay. First order of business, chicken's got to be 165. I always check it. I'm pretty good at it, but I always check it. Okay. 177. 184. Very hot. Good enough. Always remember to sanitize their cutting board through your thermometer too, because you just touch raw chicken with it. Okay, cornbread. Let's flip this guy over. Ready? Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that, huh? Remember, that's hot. Make sure you grab a hold of it. We're going to cut that guy in half. There we go. Look at that guy, huh? Quick cornbread. Melted up that butter. Cut that guy in 8. Get that pan out of the way. Let's grab a couple plates. Dinner's ready. So what was that? That was 35 minutes. A few minutes in prep. That's 40. I've got another 15 minutes right behind there. Put the cornbread into here. Put this chicken on the plate. Let's check out these potatoes. Look at that guy, nice and soft. They sucked up some of the juice from the chicken too, which gives it a nice flavor. Okay, let's look at that. Nice, broiled up nicely. And look at gotta clean up, huh? Sure, I gotta clean it still, but come on. That's wonderful, ain't it? Veggies are nice and cooked, and frozen veggies are the best. They cook up so fast. So we're looking at about an hour. We're only looking at about, what, 10 minutes worth of work total. Gave you plenty of time to do stuff around the house. Dog, kid, cats, significant other coming home. Still a couple pieces of cornbread on there. Things are pretty hot. Look at that, huh? Nice barbecue chicken dinner in about an hour. On a weeknight, it's perfect. You know, you can buy a bag of chicken, leg quarters or something like that, or you buy the bag of all chickens, doesn't matter. Cut them up, get a couple nights out of it. I don't want to waste any of those vegetables. And again, clean up time. You're not wasting your time in there trying to scrub grease off. We're going to clean them anyway, but still. A couple dirty pans. Dinner's ready. Beautiful. Hope that helps.